Boingo and Poppy's Heart Word Heroes series. Today we're starting a fun heart word series. For now, we're going to focus on just one heart word and learn it together.
What are heart words?
Yeah, I don't think I have ever heard of that.
Heart words are special words we have to remember by heart because they don't always follow the sounded out rules.
Oh, I get it now.
Can we have an example, please? How do you pronounce this word? Is it pronounced thuh?
That doesn't sound right.
Good try, Boingo, but it is pronounced the. Why don't you two use it in a few sentences?
Okay, I'll go first. The dog runs.
The cat sleeps.
The
sun
sun
is
is
bright.
bright. Thanks for watching.
Wait, before you say goodbye, there's one more thing you should know about the word the.
So wait, there's more?
Yes, sometimes we pronounce the in a different way.
Now you've really got me curious.
We usually say the, but when the next word starts with a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U, we say the.
Vowels? Are we going to learn about those?
Yes, but that's for another lesson. For now, let's practice a few sentences to show when we use the. The apple is red. Sometimes we say the to make the word sound smoother. Now you try.
The ice cream cone tastes good.
The end.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Explore more fun and educational videos on the channel. Kick back, relax, and stay a while. See you next time.